that you are the best. Okay guys, so before I start with this like mask and chill video, let me just plug Vicky Logan. I got this video. It's inspired by Vicky Logan, her Mask and Chill series. I figure, why don't I just talk about different topics that I want to talk about, open up to my audience, as well as treat my face to a little face mask.
Be my enemy.
Oh, what is on y'all's face? What is that?
A mask.
Oh my God.
What else would it be?
Looks like doo-doo.
You would know, right?
Them twins look like they're rolling around with the pigs in the pig trough. Is it a doo-doo mask?
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ciera Michelle. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, cousin? So I did a poll on Instagram asking you guys which mask I should do. I have these different masks I got from Walmart. Charcoal plus black sugar gel mask and scrub. So I'm gonna put this on my face today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna listen to some music off of my Chill Vibes playlist. You can look at my playlist on my YouTube playlist section and go to the Chill Vibes playlist. I got different, like, of course this is all female type of music, you know, R&B, slow jams, anything that's just chill and speaking to me, speaking to the heart. So I don't know how else to put it. I've really been liking the new Ariana Grande song, Thank You Next. Queen Naja, Butterflies. I got a bunch of songs on here, y'all. Just check it out. We having better discussions. Thank you. Next. So this mask, they want you to dampen your face. So I just took some hot water in a little container, my little rag. So the comment of the day, I want you guys to please comment down below, what are some skincare products, in particular, what are some face masks that you use, that you swear by? Comment that down below. Thank you next. Thank you next. But I just wanna hold you all night long. You got me on a high, I don't wanna calm down, and I love it, I love it. So you definitely want to use a spoolie when putting on a face mask with sugar scrubs and stuff in it, because this is going under my nails, bruh. This is going under my nails. Now, y'all chose the black mask. Anybody on my Instagram? If you're not following my Instagram, you should be following me on Instagram, because I'm gonna really start posting some bomb pictures. And plus, I always be on my Instagram stories, or either y'all follow me on my Snapchat as well. And I probably will follow you back if you're not a creep. But this part of the video is gonna be like the get to know me. If you haven't already watched some of my videos, then you're just clicking on here and you just don't know anything about me. So let's get you hip. I'm 23. I'm single. I'm a Christian. I don't date. I'm not dating currently, just because like I don't have time for the games or the foolishness. I know what I want and I can't budge on it. And I really just I'm really just focused on giving myself to God and trying to go hard with my YouTube. So really right now I would like to see my YouTube more popping by the end of this year, with me just being consistent, uploading more, and I don't know, just always learning. I actually had a YouTube when I was in middle school or maybe even before that, I like uploaded singing videos with my little sister. But then I used to be so embarrassed and I just took it down because I just was embarrassed looking back on it. I wish I would have just privatized the video, but I just up and deleted them. But to be honest, I have always been watching YouTube and thinking like, man, I could really do that. Like, people already be like, if you know me, you know I'm funny. But I'm like socially selective. So if you don't know me, I'm going to be kind of like, if you see my YouTube, you're going to be like, oh my God, this is you? Yes, like I'm sarcastic. I kind of got dry humor. But I'm kind of funny. And I feel like I can give some cool advice sometimes. Now, when it comes to dating, I'm not going to give nobody no dating advice because, baby, I don't know what I'm doing. But on anything else, I got you. So my favorite YouTubers would have to be like Raven Elise. I love her. A lot of people kind of think that she can be boring with her mom vibes because, you know, like, I'm young. I'm 23. I don't got no kids, so I can relate to her on the mom vibes. Love watching Vicky Logan and Life with the Logans because she is also just very artistic. I also like the fact that that girl is young. She's married to a minister, Cameron, and they're like a young couple living for God. So that's just inspiring. Along with her style and stuff, I love it. I love Face Over Matter because of her short hair. Also, she gave her life to God, or whatever that be the case. I like it. I like Christian YouTubers, okay? No. I don't think Raven is a Christian though, but I still like her. I love watching Jayla Corian. That girl got good style. I love watching Ciera Walker, The Annihilator. I love watching Asia Jackson. I love watching Monroe Brooke. She's like down to earth. She's from St. Louis, I believe. She's just cool. Like, that girl, she's just cool. She's more realistic. I hate when people have a following and they don't write back to people that follow them. Or they'll just like, they go through liking comments without. I mean, just show love. Show love to people that's showing love to you. I love Glenn Mazante. Anybody with fashion and style, I love. And you gotta be black. Most of the people that I like are black because I can relate to them because I'm black. So, for the most part, I stay to myself. Like, I would not say that I have a lot of friends. I'm not even close to my family, let's be honest. I'm not really close to my family. It's nothing to like post, like to, you know, broadcast to the world. But I'm not close to my family. I don't have a lot of friends. And I low-key like it that way. I kind of do want to work on my family relationship stuff. But I don't have a lot of friends. I'm not in high school, you know. It's not a problem with meeting someone. It's a problem with like trusting someone, and I'm not that friend that communicates on a regular basis. I don't like that. Don't call me every day. Don't. It's annoying. Like, I like being to myself most of the time. I am a homebody as well. But I don't talk to anybody on a regular basis. I probably got one person I'll talk to on a regular basis. And I don't know, is that weird? Is anyone else like that? I have been struggling with acne. I've been struggling with acne. I started seeing a dermatologist months ago, and the medicine she gave me broke me out so bad on my chest, my back, and my, like, all over my face. But really the main parts are my chest, my under my neck, under my chin area, and my back. So I'm thinking about like going the Accutane route, but I want to make sure everything is going to be lined up with the military. I don't got time for them to play me. And I also just want to make sure I'm ready for it as well, because that's a huge commitment skin-wise. And I don't want to play with my money. Like, I want to follow the regimen. I don't want to buy this and then not do right by it. I definitely need my skin to improve. I would feel so much more confident if I didn't have this stubborn acne on my nose. All I gotta do is light a candle, and it's a whole vibe.
And woman to woman, I think you'll understand just how much I'll do to keep it. Woman to woman, if you've ever been in love, then you know how I feel. And woman to woman,
Hickeys on the chest or the tops of the hips. I'm lost in the mix, so I floss in the sea. Turn it up, baby, so I'm exhausted.
More paper, don't chase up. Now get it right with ya. Heartbreaker, I keep it tight, but I don't figure. Could laugh now with ya.
Cry later.
I like you in your freak clothes, freak those in my specialized freak shows.
When I think about what we had, I can't help but feel so mad. When I trusted you like that, so who do you think you are? 'Cause ain't you all the best? With this mask, and this is the Freeman Feeling Beautiful Polishing Charcoal plus Black Sugar Gel plus Scrub Mask. So it basically has black sugar and charcoal extracts or whatever, and it actually tastes good because I kind of tasted a little that came on my mouth. Basically, after you put this on your face, I just let mine sit for a while and I was just jamming out to some music. Now I'm just taking some warm water on my fingers and massaging this into my skin. And I think face mask about once or twice a week would be enough for me. I know some people are different, but I don't do no face mask. So I'm trying to just get better at keeping up on my skincare.
Fighting to keep us together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't always been an angel.
Look great on you now. Where I go, they wear bikinis in the winter too now. What you think about
Time's on the skin of you now.
Why wouldn't I want to spend a few down? On fit fast shopping sprees and I'm Dennis the child. So I'm with them now. As long as when I slide up in you, you growl. And any dude with you, he better be a kin of you now.
Until I can't really explain. I ain't say I do just to say I don't. Don't give me no reason to go through your phone. This is deeper than you and other.
Okay, so I have taken everything off my face. I'm just going to moisturize my skin with the Olay Complete Daily Moisturizer, and this is for sensitive skin. It's non-comedogenic, which basically means it's not gonna clog up your pores. I use this now. I've been using it for like maybe 2 weeks.
So hold on, 'cause I need you bad as my heart beats. You be still, run around like teenagers, even though we're grown and married with
Watching this video, please be sure to watch my next suggested video by me. And hit that subscribe button. See you at the next upload.